Why choose Marchant Plumbing and Gas for solar hot water systems in Perth? Marchant Plumbing and Gas is a trusted provider for solar hot water systems in Perth, offering expert guidance from selection to installation. The team understands the unique climate conditions in Perth, ensuring every system is optimized for maximum efficiency and durability. Marchant Plumbing and Gas specializes in professional hot water system installation and repair, Perth maintenance, and system upgrades, giving homeowners a complete solution. What sets us apart is our focus on tailored recommendations based on your household needs and budget. Instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, we help you choose the most efficient system for long-term savings. With a strong reputation for quality workmanship, transparent pricing, and reliable service, Marchant Plumbing and Gas ensures every project is completed to a high standard. Whether you are installing a new system or upgrading an existing one, we provide dependable solutions that deliver real energy savings. With Marchant Plumbing and Gas, you get expert advice, professional installation, and systems tailored to your household needs. Our team ensures you maximize efficiency, rebates, and long-term return on investment without the stress. Do not wait to upgrade. Switch to a smarter, more sustainable hot water solution with Marchant Plumbing and Gas now.